Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain you a new projector which comes under 100 euros, and also you can get a gift with this projector, maybe tripod or Bluetooth speaker or projector. So let's get into the video. I recommend this projector because it comes with 1080 quality and also it's not heavy. So this comes with a good nice carry case with waterproof one. I like this very much. It's a user's guide. They provide in 5 languages. It's a free gift coupon. About this I will explain you at the end of the video. It's a power cable. They give an HDMI cable also. It is very useful. We can connect laptops for this projector. And also it comes with a remote also, but they don't provide the batteries for this one. And they given the 3-in-1 cable also. It is useful to connect TV for this projector. And finally the projector. It's not heavy. I like this. This one is an infrared port. It's a HDMI port, and here we have 2 USB ports. You can connect hard disk and pen drive, everything. And this is for to connect your speakers, headset or something. This is to connect TV. Like this, they already provide the cable. So using this, you can connect your TV. And using this one also, you can connect your computer. And it comes with a lens protector, that is very good. These are the things what we received in the box. Using the remote you can change various picture modes and picture sizes. There is 2 types of ratios, either 4:3 or 16:9. You can choose what you want. There are a lot of options. Even you can change the image size also. Using image aspect ratio, you can increase or decrease. You can scale size of the images. You can adjust the sound quality also using the remote with different options. There are a lot of options. Even you can change the languages and can understand very easily. Just go through what you want. I just connect my laptop to this projector. See how my daughter enjoying this. Now I am going to explain you how we can claim this free gift. As I written in the below description, go to that link and fill this form, your name and your email ID and the order ID. This order ID I am just showing you where it is. This order ID you can find in your invoice copy. Just go through what I am showing here. You may find that one. Once you fill this one, then you will get the free gift options, either tripod or Bluetooth speaker or projector screen. So I chosen the tripod one. So today I received that also. This is what I received just now. So I am going to unbox that one also. The best part is I ordered my projector in Amazon Prime. My gift tripod also received by Amazon Prime only. If in your case if you don't receive the gift, in description I provide the contact email ID. You can contact them, then you may receive. And one more thing, if you don't write a review for the projector, then you may don't receive the gift also. So don't forget to write the review for your projector. Here is the tripod. It comes with well packing. So the weight of tripod is 1.2 kilos. You can load until 5 kilos. Okay, they given this tripod in a waterproof bag. That's very good. So this tripod we can change different heights. So finally overall the tripod looks like this. On top there is one more adjuster. You can increase little more height using this one. See, I put my projector on this tripod and I am using this to watch the movies. If you have any doubts about this one, you can make a comment. I will try to solve your problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.